Good day, everyone. Today I'll present Chapter 6 of Sinada Lansangan Cruz Macro Perspective of Tourism and Hospitality. This chapter focuses on the impacts of tourism and hospitality, how tourism affects economies, societies, culture, and environments. Tourism is both an opportunity and a responsibility. Introduction. Tourism and hospitality bring both positive and negative impacts. These impacts are visible economic growth, social change, cultural preservation, and environmental sustainability. For example, Boracay closure in 2018 showed economic loss, but also environmental recovery. Economic impacts. Positive. Tourism creates job and income. Boracay resorts employ thousands of locals. It boasts local businesses, Cebu's Whale Shark Door support hotels and restaurants. It also increases government revenue such as VAT and tourism taxes collected in Singapore. Economic impacts negative. On the other hand, overdependence on tourism can harm economies. The Maldives, for example, is vulnerable to global travel bans. Rising prices affect locals, like housing costs in Barcelona due to Airbnb. Seasonal employment also creates instability, as seen in Baguio hotels, hiring only during peak seasons.
Social impacts positive. Tourism improves quality of life through infrastructure. New airports in Clark and Cebu benefits both tourists and locals. It promotes cultural exchange, like Sinulog Festival in Cebu attracting international visitors. It also encourages education and trainings, such as TESDA program for hospitality workers. Social impacts negative. However, tourism can cause overcrowding and stress on communities. Boracay before closure was overpopulated with tourists. It can also create social inequality, such as luxury resort in Palawan, compared to local fishermen's income. Tourist scams, like those in Bangkok, show rest of exploitation. Cultural impacts positive. Tourism helps preserve tradition and heritage. Vegan tours highlights Spanish colonial architecture. It promotes local arts and craft, like Efogao wood carving sold to visitors. Festivals showcase globally strengthened national identity, making culture a source of pride.
Negative cultural impact. Yet, culture can be commercialized. In Bali, dances are sometimes performed only for tourists. Authenticity may be lost, as seen in mass-produced souvenirs in Baguio. Cultural classes also occur, such as dress code, conflict, and conversative Middle Eastern destination. Positive environmental impact. Tourism can support conservation. The Puerto Princesa Underground River is protected by ecotourism fees. Diving tours into Bataha Reef educate visitors about marine life. Entrance fee at Banawa Rice Terraces help fund preservation. Negative environmental impact. On the negative side, tourism can cause pollution and waste. Boracay water contamination was a major issue before rehabilitation. Coral reefs in Palawan have been damaged by irresponsible diving. Luxury resort also consume high amount of water, straining local resources. Political impact. Tourism influence government policies. The DOT's It's More Fun in the Philippines campaign is a national strategy. It strengthens international relations, like Asian Tourism Corporation, but it also causes political tension, such as travel bans affecting Middle East tourism.
Technological impact. Technology reshaped tourism platforms like Traveloka, Klook, and Airbnb. Diminution. Efficiency improves through a visa system in Singapore. Innovation is encouraged, such as smart hotels in Japan with robots app. Case studies. Let's look at case studies. Boracay closure led to environmental recovery but economic loss. Kyoto preserved tea ceremonies but faced overcrowding. Barcelona boosted its economy but raised housing costs. Bali promoted culture but risked commercialization. Conclusion. In conclusion, tourism and hospitality impacts are multifaceted. The positive includes job, cultural preservation, and conservation. The negatives include overcrowding, commercialization, and environmental damage. Tourism must balance growth with sustainability to ensure it benefits both people and